High up in the mountain where five have ventured, Lee secret that could change the way we see the world. These stones, perfectly round and mysterious, have been hidden from the digital age, waiting to surprise those who have not yet seen them online. Their size, their shapes, and the way they seem to defy gravity. These stones are no ordinary rocks. They reach toward the sky as if trying to touch the clouds themselves, creating a connection between the earth and the heaven. These round stones are not just a natural curiosity, their formation so perfect and symmetrical challenges everything we know about the natural world. Some say they are gift from the earth. Others whisper of ancient civilization who knew their secret. But whatever their origin, one thing is clear. These stones are a wonder that has remained hidden from the eyes of the world until now. As we stand on the edge of discovery, we cannot help but wonder what is the story behind these stones. Why do they sit so proudly, touching the sky untouched by time? Could they hold the key to understanding something much greater, something that has yet to be uncovered? Whether this is my truth, the round stone stand as silent witnesses to the passage of time. They have witnessed the rise and fall of civilization, the changes in nature, and now they are ready to share their secret with the world. These stones, standing tall and proud, remind us that there are still wonders in this world that remain hidden, waiting for us to find them. As we look up at them, we are reminded of the mysterious that lie just beyond or reach, waiting to surprise us. Perhaps one day we will learn the true story behind this stone. Until then, they will continue to stand as a reminder that there are still marvels in this world that have yet to be discovered. Yesterday, as the sun dipped below the horizon, something unexpected happened in a world where mysteries are often solved with a signal click. This stone remained untouched, unseen by the eyes of the world. They stood there silently, challenging us to uncover their secret, to understand their purpose. In this eyes of the challenge, these stones are not just rock, they are symbols of the endurance, untouched by time, untouched by human curiosity. Until now, each round stone is a question, a riddle waiting to be solved, drink to the unravels it meaning by are the here. How did the come to be, and more important, why haven't not they been discovered before? Yesterday we took a step into the unknown. With every step toward these sky touching stone we faced the challenge not just discovery but of understanding something far greater than we imagine. What if these stones are not just remnant of the past but keys to unlocking an ancient secret? In this eyes of the challenge, we are mere seekers standing at the threshold of something monumental. This mantra, this journey is not just about finding the stone, it about understanding their message, their purpose in this vast world. And yesterday we took the first step toward the understanding. These stones are not just a physical challenge, they are a call to discover, to dream, and to believe that some mysterious or worth pursuit. Yesterday we did not just find stone, we found a challenge, a journey that is just beginning. In the eye of the geologist, these stones are more than just strange formation. They are clues to story that span millions of years, a story writing in the very layers of the earth. But what makes these stones so extraordinary are the born from the deep earth shaped by time and pressure, or do they fall from the skies carried here by forces beyond our understanding? This perfectly round stone seem almost out of place. Their smooth, polished surface suggests a different kind of force at play, forces of the nature, or perhaps force from the sky. Could the be materialized and fallen from the distant star, or the pieces of a long forgotten world beneath our feet, hidden deep within the earth of our waiting to be discovered? Every stone tells a story. Some believe that these round stones are the result deep geological force and volcanic activity, erosion, or even the slow, unyielding push of the glacier that carried them across the land. Others suggest cosmic origin, a meteorite that made its way from the vast expanse of space, a visitor from the star. As geologists, we look to the layer beneath our feet for answer. Where This stone one part of a larger geological formation formed deep underground over millions of years, or were they born of a cosmic event crashing to the earth from the heavens above? Each possibility leads us to different paths, but the true origin remains a mystery. In this eyes of the geologist, these stones are not just artifacts, they are puzzle. Did they come from the deep earth, shaped by force we can only imagine, or did the descent from the sky grade on wind and waves of time, landing here in the mountain and silent witness to the passage of history? From deep and from the sky, these stones and remain a testament to unknown, the challenges we as invite to explore and remind us that in the world of geology, every discovery opens the door to new question that keep us looking both to the ground beneath our feet and to the star above. This Thank you for watching. Thank you. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. हेलो, हाँ जी, वालेकुम सलाम, क्या हाल दो? शुगर अल्लाह मेतला इधर कड़ंग देखना आइयो। किस है? मगर कोई पता भी नहीं। हाँ ना, मैं ये चौक का गाय सब्जी आंदी लेकिन मगर तेरे शहीद के बारे में मगर ना पता कुथा ये। हाँ ना मगर नहीं पता। हाँ ठीक है।